Hello guys, today in this video I will show you how you can create this neon text effect in Photoshop. First of all, select type tool, then type neon. Then select a font. I will go with monotone because this is the font. This is a bold retro style font that looks great with bright neon. And you can see this font. This is the linear strokes font and make the neon effect stand out. That's why I will choose this font. Going to text layer, right click on it and convert to smart object. Now going to layer style and select blending options. Select inner glow. Change the blending mode into hard light. Set the opacity 30 to 35. Change the color. Follow this code. Set the size 5 to 10 pixels. Click the contour and follow this setting. Now select outer glow. Change blend mode linear dodge add. And follow these settings. Change the color with same code. Set the size 30 pixels. Click here. Follow these settings. When you finish, press OK. Now duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl J, drag it down. Delete the inner glow. Go to FX button, right click on it, choose a stroke. Follow these settings. Now choose outer glow. Change the size to 245 pixels. Now choose a drop shadow. Follow these settings. When you finish, then press OK. You can also add line or some text to more stand out. You can copy layer style and paste it a new layer that you have created. That's it. This is the neon effect. Please support my channel to make further videos. Thank you so much for watching.